The best part about being in Urban Strides is probably the people. I love coming to Strides because they're like my family and we all have such a great time and do what we love to do best. My first experience with Strides was probably my first class with Andy in Aylesbury. We were doing hip hop and that was my first time. I got introduced by 2 old crew members when I was doing a summer school, and one of the teachers, Sam, came to me and said, "You should join Strides," which happened, and then I'm still here today. So. Urban Strides teachers are full of passion, motivation. Obviously street dance is quite hard to find a good teacher, I think. Urban Strides teachers are amazing at teaching all styles, from popping to locking, and I've even learnt whacking and different styles. The tour is 4 weeks long. We do 21 dates. When I got asked to do the tour again, I was over the moon. Obviously, it's such an amazing experience to do again. This is my 3rd tour, so it's such a lovely experience with all the people I love. We had such a great group this year. The dances are amazing. We're doing one with Laura Wright, which is, I can't ask for anything better. Urban Strides has changed my life. Obviously, I wouldn't be doing this without them, so I'm so grateful for everything they've given me, and obviously all the technique and qualification in my teacher training. So yeah, and it's given me so much confidence and changed me as a person, I think, for the better. Go for it. I think you haven't got nothing to lose. We're also open to new people and learning new things. So if you're passionate, you feel like you want to learn new things, meet new people that are really cool and like the same things as you, then come, because we don't bite. I know it might be scary, but you should definitely do it.
I was wondering